What's up guys, and welcome back to One Life Cars. Quick tutorial today. On the back of the rocker cover gasket video, I want to show you guys this oil pressure switch, which, as you can see, I've opened the bonnet anyway. Get your bonnet open. Two tools required for this: a flat screwdriver and an adjustable spanner. Because, like I said on the last video, the rocker cover gasket one on this car, it helped me with my oil pressure light coming on, you know, and it's running rough and losing a lot of oil. But I've not mentioned this switch, which really I should have done with the gasket. It's best to do them together. Some people find this fixes the oil pressure problem and the light stops coming on and they stop losing oil. Some people find just the rocker cover gasket helps, but I do believe that the best thing to do is doing both, as this switch is quite a cheap part and it regulates the oil pressure. So, dead easy job to get it out. Flat screwdriver, just to pop that clip out. Like so. I think, having said what I've just said, it feels like underneath this switch it is actually leaking a bit. I'm going to get my adjustable and get it around the switch. Right, so I've got my adjustable around it. Snap it like so, it's not too tight. Just do the rest of it with your fingers. Quite a long thread, as you can see. I'm trying to drop it. Did lose a little bit of oil, but not too much. Alright, that's the oil pressure switch. They're not too dear, these are under a tenner for a new one. So if you're going to do the rocker cover gasket, and especially if you've got an oil pressure light coming on or you're losing oil all the time, try to do them both together. I'm going to put a link to the rocker cover gasket video on this one and vice versa. But it's at this point where you get your new switch. Check the new O-ring comes with it, that little washer there. Washer, should I say. And you'll clean all these surfaces up. Well, it will be clean. This will be your new switch. I'm just showing you this for the video, so check that this sort of edge here is nice and clean, so it makes a good seal and doesn't leak. I'm just going to tidy this back up now and get the new switch on. Right guys, got the switch cleaned up. So this will be your new one, and I've cleaned up the surface that the washer goes against too down here. So just a case of screwing it back in. Just nip it up with your fingers and get the adjustable back on it. And then just going to give it sort of firm but not too tight nip. So don't hang off the bar, especially if you're using adjustable, because there's a lot of leverage on them. And then find where the little pin on there where my nail is goes into the groove there, like so. Just connect it back up, and there you go. That's your oil pressure switch back in. Now, if you've got an oil pressure light coming on a lot, it could be a number of things. It could be just low oil in general, it could be a clogged up oil filter, it could be that switch, it could be the rocker covers leaking, it could be a crank seal, but 90% of the time it's due to a mixture of low oil, this switch and the rocker cover gasket. So like I say, if you're doing one, try and do the other, do them together, keep that oil pressure up, which will keep your chain tensioner good, and you can get 130, 150,000 miles out of these engines if they're looked after right. The main problem being the chain wearing down, so you keep the oil pressure right and they'll keep going. But anyway, that's about it from me. Hope you found this video useful. Another One Life Cars tutorial on the Vauxhall Corsa C. Hit that thumbs up if you like it. If you're new, like these tutorials, want to request your own on your own car or another car on the channel, hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments. Till next time guys, peace.